Hi there, this is Gia. Welcome back. This is part 5 of our Record Triggered Flow. We're going to debug our flow to see what we have done so far, if our flow runs smoothly. We're going to skip the start condition requirements, and we're going to select the first of our 3 opportunities, the test generator 1, 2, and 3. We're going to click Run, and we're going to see if our flow runs successfully. It will take some time while still loading. And here it looks like it has run successfully. After selecting the test generator tool, we're going to click again Run. The test generator 2 had medium installation priority, and here we see the flow takes the medium case creation path. It has created a record invoked after the last item, and we're going to now test our third opportunity. We select the test generator 3, we click Run, and our flow should take create a low case priority path. Next, we're going to go to the first sample opportunity, and we're going to add additional product that doesn't meet the criteria to see if our flow creates a new case record. Here we have added the second product that doesn't meet the create case requirement. We're going to back in our flow, we're going to select the test generator 1 and run again to see if it's going to create an extra case record that doesn't meet the criteria. So here under create records element, it looks like only one record has been created, not the one that does